In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automation to assign issues based on labels in Jira. This is a simple and effective way to make sure incoming issues are automatically routed to the right person without needing to assign them manually every time. If your team uses labels to organize work, this automation can save time, reduce mistakes, and help keep ownership clear from the moment an issue is created. To get started, open the project or space where you want this automation to happen. Since automation rules are often created at the project level, it's important to make sure you're in the correct place before building anything. Once you're inside the right project, click Project Settings. In the Settings area, look over to the sidebar and select Automation. This is where Jira allows you to create rules that respond automatically when certain events happen. When the automation page opens, click Create Rule to begin building your workflow. The first part of the rule is the trigger. This tells Jira when the automation should run. For this setup, select Issue Created as the trigger. That means the rule will check every new issue as soon as it's created. After choosing that trigger, click Save. Next, you'll add a condition based on labels. This is what makes the rule specific, so it only applies to the issues you want. Click New Condition, then select Issue Fields Condition. For the field, choose Labels. Set the condition to Contains, and then enter the label value you want Jira to look for. For example, if you want all issues labeled Marketing to go to a certain person, enter Marketing. Then click Save. Now it's time to define what happens when that condition is met. Click New Action and select Assign Issue. This action will automatically assign matching issues to a chosen team member. Select the user who should receive issues with that label. For example, you might assign all marketing issues to a specific teammate responsible for that area. Once you've chosen the assignee, click Save. The last step is to enable the rule. Give it a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. A good example would be auto-assign by label. Clear naming becomes especially helpful if you create multiple automation rules over time. After naming it, click Turn on Rule. Once the rule is active, Jira will automatically assign newly created issues whenever the specified label appears. That's it. You've created a clean, practical automation that helps your team stay organized and respond faster.